In Israel, discrimination is a common problem. Many Bedouin villages have no running water, electricity, or proper sewage. Conservative and Reform Jews suffer discrimination. They are not allowed to marry according to their religious beliefs. Many Arab citizens of Israel can get neither proper jobs nor adequate housing. Education, health, and municipal services, including help for special needs children, are inequitably funded. For some, Israeli citizenship and residency can be revoked summarily. In Israel, the right to a lawyer from the public defender is extended only to someone facing a punishment of 5 years or more. ACRI is the Association for Civil Rights in Israel.
ACRI is the largest, the oldest, and the leading human rights organization in Israel, the only of its kind, dealing with a whole range of human rights, and civil liberties.
Dan Yakir earned his master's degree in international human rights law through the New Israel Fund Law Fellows program.
Our task is to serve as a sort of a watchdog and to prevent the government from exceeding its power. We feel that we are helping the state of Israel to be a more just place.
Many of Israel's citizens and migrants have come from countries without strong democratic traditions. It makes it easy to take advantage of them.
What we are trying to do is to ensure human rights to everybody in Israel, both the Arab citizens of Israel, the Bedouins and the Negev, migrant workers, gays, women's, justice for all and human dignity for all.
As an example, during the disengagement from Gaza, Dan helped to ensure that legal demonstrations could take place.
As a justice, I appreciated very much his contribution to human rights in Israel. We can't protect the human rights if the cases are not brought before us and if the argument is not convincing. So Dan brought before us standard-setting cases of minority rights, gay rights, Palestinians in the territories, etc. And his arguments were very well presented to the court, helped us to reach to the correct answer and correct decisions. So I think that he's an excellent lawyer and a courageous one.
His Supreme Court cases include protection of prisoners' rights, a ban on property sales to Jews only, and equal opportunities in the workplace. His cases often force the Supreme Court to clarify Israel's basic laws, such as freedom of expression and the right to human dignity and liberty.
The public opinion is not very much interested in the human rights of the enemies. It's the duty of the court to deal with it, to balance it, without undue deference to the public opinion. But we need a courageous lawyer to put the case before us, and Dan did his job.
In one landmark case in front of a 9-judge panel, including Justice Dalia Dorner, Dan successfully argued against the use of torture by the security services.
I'm proud of Dan that he brought the case, and I'm proud of our court that it decided as it decided.
We too are proud of his brave contribution to the development of civil liberties and human rights in Israel. Congratulations, Dan Yakir.